Welcome back to the channel, guys. Don't forget to drop a comment, like, subscribe. So today we're gonna be installing a new part on a Coyote. It's from Extreme Online Store. It's gonna be the Gurney flap for the rear spoiler. We got it in carbon fiber, so it's gonna look pretty clean. Let me show you guys the car real quick. So obviously we have the EOS carbon fiber hood, really nice. It's the OEM style. Honestly, fits perfect. I love the hood. I am gonna get some hood pins for it. Well, I already actually, I ordered them like 2 weeks ago. They haven't came in, so hopefully they come in soon. But yeah, the carbon with the metallic gray or carbonized gray, sorry about that, it looks good. Then we have the RTR front lip, RTR front grille. We did install some lowering springs all around and some wheel spacers. Let's see if you guys can see them. See right there's the wheel spacers. I don't think you guys can see the springs, but yeah, it's way lower now. Honestly, the fitment is way better, really clean. Oh, we have some automatic USA rear tail lights also. The car's coming along really nice, man. Big shout out to Extreme Online Store for the rear spoiler as well. We did an install video on that as well as the hood, so you guys can go ahead and look at my previous videos, check it out, drop a comment also on those or a like. So yeah, let me show you guys the rear Gurney flap. It's carbon fiber, so it's pretty clean, man. You can see that in the sun, really nice. Honestly, it is 3M tape, so it's gonna be a pretty fast, pretty easy install. It's gonna go on the rear spoiler just like this. So it's gonna go just like that. So it's gonna give the car a whole different look, so it'll look way better. So it's gonna be more aggressive. Honestly, that looks nice already. So we got the car nice and clean and washed and clay bar from my homie Ivan. So the car is nice and clean right now, so it's a perfect time to put this on. So let's go ahead and get started with the install. Like I said, it's gonna be a really fast video. It's gonna take like 30 seconds to install it, but I didn't want to show you guys the car, like what we did to it so far and how it looks. Drop a comment what you guys think, how it looks so far. Look at that. With the hood, man, you guys gotta tap in with Extreme Online Store. They make some good stuff. So yeah, let's go ahead and install this part. I'm gonna put the camera down just for a second. It's gonna be a really quick install, like I said. Okay, it's just 3M tape. No bolts are required, no screws. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and install the Gurney flap. Like I said, it is carbon fiber, really nice. Real carbon fiber too. So with a 3M tape, basically you want to peel back a piece on each side a little bit, on the top and the bottom, so it looks something like that. This way, when you're peeling back the tape, you could apply pressure on it. You do want to make sure first that the Gurney flap is in the center and not off, because it'll look ugly. So right there's pretty good. Oh man, I'm already messing up. Alright, so look, we got this one and this one. So there's 2 tapes. Put them like that. This way you can pull them back right now. You're gonna push them as much as possible. Oh man. So you gotta be careful with the tape. You gotta make sure you're not messing up like me. Alright, so 1, 2. Make sure this side's even. Gotta make sure this side's even. Looks pretty good. So what I'm gonna do right now is pull back this one just like this, and also pull back this one while I'm applying pressure. This way it'll be nice and even all the way across. So we're gonna do that for the whole top and the whole bottom. Right now I'm gonna move the camera out because I am in the middle of the street kind of. But this is pretty much what you're gonna do. Is some pull back the 3M tape all the way back. Do the same thing for the bottom, and we'll show you guys how it looks right now. So what I did was apply pressure as much as possible. While I applied pressure, I was moving back the 3M tape. So this is the last of it right here. I wasn't doing a time lapse on it, but my camera doesn't do that, so apply pressure. Same thing at the top. So like both of the tapes came out pretty easily. Let's move that to the side for now. Just keep applying pressure, making sure it's on there good. You don't want this flying off, especially if you're at the track racing or anything like that. It looks pretty good, looks pretty solid. So pretty much done. So that's how it's gonna look. Pretty nice, pretty aggressive. Let's see, the fitment, it's pretty nice, man. Pretty nice fitment. Can't complain. Really good quality. Man, that thing looks crazy. Big shout out to Extreme Online Store, man. They're making my car come out really perfect, really nice. So yeah, I'm gonna drop the link for this down below. You guys can also follow their Instagram. They also have Facebook and also YouTube. So go ahead and subscribe to them. It's Extreme Online Store. So that's how it's gonna look right here. Woo, that thing's nice, man. So I'm rocking their banner, pretty cool. I might need to get a new banner though soon because this one's flaking already. But I had it on for a while already. So it's looking pretty good with the carbon fiber hood as well. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this install. Like I said, it's gonna be a quick install. I try to make the most time out of it. Really easy install, anybody could do it. They don't have to go to a shop to do it. It makes the car look way aggressive from the back. Nice. But yeah, we got the carbon fiber rear gurney flap. Really nice, really simple install, like I said probably 1,000 times already. But yeah, go check out their website. It's Extreme Online Store for all your Mustang needs. They do Corvettes, Camaros, CTSVs. I want to say they do BMWs, Supras. They do a little bit of everything. So go check them out. Like I said, I'll drop the link to the rear spoiler or the rear gurney flap. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. We'll catch you guys next time. And yeah, drop a comment. Peace.